Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to the session. Hope all are fine. In the previous class, we have learned about herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. What are herbivorous? Herbivorous means grass-eating animals. Okay. What are carnivorous? Carnivorous means flesh-eating animals. Who are omnivorous? Omnivorous means both. They eat grass as well as flesh. Okay, children? These are called omnivorous. Herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Now we will see how animals feed. How animals feed. Okay, children? How animals feed. Feed means how they will eat. Different animals eat different types of food. The feeding habit of an animal depends on the type of food it eats. The feeding habit of an animal depends on the type of food it eats. The mouth of an animal is suited to the type of food it eats. See, the snake, can it eat the food? No, it swallows the food. The snake cannot eat the food. What does it do? It swallows the food. So, the lion, what does the lion do? The lion, it is a flesh-eating animal. It tastes the food. So, there is a difference between the two animals now. The snake swallows the food, whereas the lion tastes the food. Okay, see. Animals that swallow their food. Swallowing means they swallows. Some flesh-eating animals like snakes swallow their food wholly. Fully they put in their mouth and they swallow their food wholly. They do not bite or chew their food. They do not bite or chew their food. They do not bite or chew their food. So, they do not have biting or chewing teeth. They doesn't have biting or chewing teeth. A frog swallows insects. So, a frog swallows insects. It has a long and sticky tongue. Who has long and sticky tongue? The frog has a long and sticky tongue. It shoots out its tongue. Shoots out means it takes out its tongue. The tongue of a frog will come out in this much long. The insect that gets stuck on the tongue, what happens? The insect stuck on the tongue of the frog. It makes a tasty meal for the frog. In such a way, a frog swallows the food wholly. Even the snakes also swallows the food wholly. Okay, children? It also swallows the food wholly. Snake and frog swallows the food. What are the animals swallow their food? Snakes and frogs. How do they eat? Swallow the food. Okay, children, they swallow the food. Next, animals that tear and chew flesh. Tear it. They tear with the teeth. Some flesh-eating animals like lions, tiger, fox, dogs chew flesh and bones. So they have very sharp pointed and curved front teeth to tear flesh. So some of the animals like lions, tiger, fox, dogs, these all are what? Flesh-eating animals. They tear the fleshes because they have the teeth. So they tear the flesh and eat the flesh-eating animals. They also have strong grinding teeth. The grinding means they will grind with the teeth. they have the grinding teeth at the back of their mouth. They have the grinding teeth at the back of their mouth. What are flesh-eating animals? Flesh-eating animals are lions, tiger, dogs, etc. are flesh-eating animals. Are flesh-eating animals. Okay. Animals that gnaw. Gnaw means like that they will gnaw. Okay. Gnaw means to bite something repeatedly or chew it hard. Chewing means they will do like that they will chew. Animals like rabbits, rats and squirrels gnaw their food and have very sharp front teeth. They will be having very sharp front teeth. They will cut the grass, keep in the mouth and they will gnaw. Okay. These teeth help them to bite the seeds and the fruits. They will help them to bite the seeds and the fruits. Animals that gnaw like gnaw their food. Animals that eat grass and chew their cud. Chew their cud. Some grass-eating animals like cows, buffaloes, sheep first swallow grass and without chewing it. They will swallow the grass and next chew it. After some time they bring it back into their mouth. Then they chew it. First what they will do? They will fully keep it in the mouth. And next again they bring back into the mouth and chew it. Okay, then with their grinding teeth, they also have the teeth. What they will do with the teeth? They will grind it with the teeth. This is called chewing the cud. Chewing the cud, chewing the food. They also have biting front teeth. They also have the biting front teeth. I think all of them have seen the cow, how it will eat, biting here. Like that it will bite, it will chew with the teeth. How the cow will eat the grass. In that way it chews the cud. Watch these animals how they will graze. You can actually hear the sound they make also. You can also hear the sound of the cows how they will graze. Okay, these are the grass eating animals like cows, buffaloes and sheep. What are these? Grass eating animals. What are these? Grass eating animals. Okay. Animals that lap milk or water. Animals that lap milk or water. Animals like cats and dogs lap milk or water with their tongue. How they will drink their milk? Okay, dogs or cats like that they will drink their milk in that way. Animals like cats and dogs lap milk or water with their tongue. They will use their tongue to suck the milk. Like that they will use their tongue to suck the milk. Okay. What to lap the milk? Feeding habits of some other animals. So once again you see children how animals feed. These are the animals. Like some animals swallow the food. What are the animals swallowing the food? Snakes and frogs. animals like cows, buffaloes and sheep. Some animals lack milk or water like cats and dogs. Okay children? All animals will not eat in the same way like human beings. Many animals eat according to their mouth style because all animals does not have same teeth. They will eat according to the different styles according they have the teeth. Some animals swallow the food like snakes and frogs. Flesh-eating animals like lions, tigers and dogs because they have a sharp teeth. Rabbits and squirrels gnaw their food because they will bite the fruits and seeds. Like cows and buffalo, sheep, they are grass-eating animals. They have bad teeth. First they will swallow the grass. Again they will bring into the mouth and chew the cud with the backside teeth. They will grind the grass again. Okay? Cats and dogs, they will lap the milk or water. Okay children? Yes. See, feeding habits of some other animals. The trunk of an elephant helped it to eat and drink. So, see the trunk, you know the trunk, how the elephant will be having the trunk. It helps it to drink and also to eat. It uses its trunk to uproot grass and also tear off branches from trees. The elephant also uses its trunk to suck up water and then shoots the water into a fountain into its mouth. Not only uproot its branches and trees, but it also shoots the water like a fountain into its mouth. See in the textbook you can see how it's throwing the water upside like a fountain with its trunk. Yes. It uses its trunk to have shower also. So it uses, see in the bathrooms we have showers, how the water will be falling on our head. In the same way, the elephant uses its trunk as a shower. Okay? An earthworm swallows soil which has parts of dead plants and animals in it. A butterfly has a long sucking tube. Yes, a butterfly sucks nectar from a flower. It has a long sucking tube. It uses this to suck nectar from flowers. And also mosquitoes and leeches suck blood from the bodies of other animals. Even mosquitoes also have a long suckers. It also sucks blood from bodies of other animals. In this way, like elephants, mosquitoes, butterflies, earthworms, these are the feeding habits of some other animals besides these. Okay, coming to domestic animals, how do they need care? All animals need protection and care. Domestic animals serve us well if we take good care of them. All animals need protection and care. Yes, all animals like domestic animals need protection. Domestic animals serve us well if we take good care of them. Food and water must be given to them in clean vessels. Yes, food and water must be given them in clean vessels. We must not give the water in dusty vessels. In clean vessels, we have to give water to our domestic animals. Their shelters must be cleaned regularly. Yes, their shelters must be cleaned regularly. If there is any dung, we have to clean regularly and keep the surroundings very clean. Sick animals must be treated in time. Yes, we have to treat them very immediately. We have to treat the sick animals because if it gives the milk and that milk if we drink, we also become sick. We must always be kind to animals. We must not at all beat them. We must always be kind to them and we must treat them very, very well and in a good manner. We must treat the animals. We must not at all beat them. We must treat very well. Okay, children. In this way, we have to treat the domestic animals. Hope you have all understood our food and feeding habits of the animals. I will be back in the next session. Hope you enjoyed this section. Bye bye all of you. Take care.